Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can make an element, component or shape on your web design on Penpot transparent. So let us dive into this. Head over to your web designer here on Penpot, access the given file inside the project, and then guys navigate to the given element by clicking into layers and by selecting the given page. So let me go with page number 2 and select the component here on that left side. You may also create a new one, so let me add a rectangle, position it, and as you can see it's overlapping the board behind it. So let me show you how we can make it transparent, right? So option number 1 would be, let me just move it. What you want to do is, let me resize it here on that board. What you want to do is, option number 1 would be to navigate to the fill color here, click into that color box, and then select the color. Right, you can also use that slider here, and below you will see the transparency button here, right? So you can adjust the transparency or opacity. As you can see guys, now the element is barely visible. If I move it here to the left, it will be almost not visible at all. That's one option. Option number 2 guys, you navigate to the design tab here at the top, and then here next to this component style, you may use that slider here to adjust also the visibility of the given component, or you do it here to the right next to the fill color, just how I showed you guys. So that's how you make the element or component transparent. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.